Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yurenika from Chayatsuji Kimono. For today I'll be showing you how to put on Hadajuban and Susoyoke. Pretty much they are the very first layer that you would wear underneath your kimono. So you could kind of say they're like underwear, I suppose. The difference between this kind of juban and a full Hadajuban is not only the sleeves, the fact that it's two-piece, but also the color. As you can see, it has this really thin width, so it's not actually meant to have like a stiffener in or anything. It's really the first layer that you put on. What I do want to mention beforehand is when you buy one of these, please get one that is in your correct size, because this one is I'd say almost 2 to 3 sizes too small for me, and I can't work with this at all. I put this skirt on, it reaches to about halfway my lower legs, which are supposed to be reaching almost to my ankles. So even the top part, I don't know if you can see, but the inner part should reach almost to here, so it's missing about that much, and it's not really comfortable for me. It's low in the back, not quite as low as I would like to, but somehow it doesn't want to move any lower. So getting out the right size in terms of the first layer is really important. I tend to go with like just normal tank top and leggings that I do wear underneath now because of, well, kind of obvious reasons. But yeah, Hadajuban and Susoyoke, it's not vital. You do have to have something underneath, but you can use either Hadajuban and Susoyoke, or like I wear a tank top and a legging. So yeah, so that's all I want to say now. Let's get into how to put this one on. So first off, I'm just starting out with the skirt part. Like with any other two-piece juba, it's just simply a wrap skirt. First off, you want to just measure out the front, and then tuck the other one behind. Ideally, you want to have the top part in your waist. Then simply tighten, and then okay, like that. It's easy, it's not too difficult. So now just let's get to the top. Okay, now we're going to grab the top part and just want to put it on your shoulders. So what I want to do now is just move this one up a little bit. Is pull the back down. So have your nice kimono color. Then simply right first, and then the left. I like to have mine sit quite tight. Then just close it off. Now you can use a koshihimo, dadajima. I'm just going to use both, but you can choose whatever you want basically. Tie that down, and you might be able to see, but this is kind of starting to get loose. So what I do now is just grab the back, first, then the inner layer, just pull that one down, so all the way around, and then Now, because I'm obviously wearing something underneath, like a tank top and a bra, it really has padding sort of in between here. Now this Hadajuban is actually way too small for me, as I mentioned before. So what I will do is place some padding here, because as you can see, maybe you can't, I don't know, the inner panel should be crossing already over here, and it doesn't because it's about 2 to 3 sizes too small for me. But yeah, on top of this you will be putting your padding and your regular jiban. So this is pretty much the very first layer and layer that's actually touching your skin. So I guess that's all for today. I hope it has proven some value to you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys!